Hi, Sir Bell. Thank you po. How are you, Sir Bell? Thank you for joining. Hi, Sir Pat. Hello po. Ralph Pasler. Coffee. Good thing for one more day, yes. Thank for one more day. Tomorrow again. I am Ralph from Germany. Thank you, Sir Ralph, for joining. Sir Ralph from Germany. Did you enjoy the ride? The ride? Ah, yes, the ride. Lul. I wonder because I'm not going somewhere because I stay at home. Coffee and snack sounds good. Yes, po. Sir Pat, coffee. Yeah, the driving, Sir Bell. Keep safe always, Sir Bell. God bless. Thank you, Sir Pat. Where are you from, Sir Pat? I forgot, by the way. Be back later if you bye. Thank you, Sir Bell. God bless. Keep safe. Keep safe, Sir. Ace. Hi, Ace. Be back. UK, England, Cheryl. Ah, nice to meet you, Sir Pat. From England, United Kingdom. Hi, Ray. Um, my God. At the middle of the night. Hello. Hi, Fernando. Oh, shit. Wrong move, Fernando. Hi, from Thailand. Ano po? Thank you, from Thailand. Are you eating nuggets crunchy? Mm, something like with popcorn. Michael Hover. Michael Hover. Thank you sa nag-heart. Chocolate covered or plain, yes. Chocolate covered. Chocolate covered po. Would love it, but watching my figure. Ah, okay. Figure. Sir Pat, this covered by chocolate. Ah, the popcorn. Stop teasing me. It's not fair. Teasing? I teasing you. Ah, what's eating Nizam? Sir Harry Mazan. This is the popcorn with covered chocolate. Why? With the candies. Miss Om. I like it, Miss Ohm. Jean Jack's Mouth Fry. Hi, Jean Jack. Mouth Fries. Ah, thank you so much for the likes. Hi, Miss Galactus World Eater. Galactus World Eater. What a name, channel name. Did you meet those popcorn with no? Delicious. Yes, it's delicious. Can you do your hair ponytail? Why? Luis Claudio. You know I don't entertain like you here. My boobs is not big. My god. My goulash. Oh my god. Look at the size of some of those pieces huge. Hi Achilles. Thank you for joining. Achilles. Hi sunshine. Rosie. Hi Rosie. Mhm. Everybody wants to my girl. You look amazing. Thank you, Rosie. We beaut. Hi, Pascual Castelio. Yes, coffee. Charakilis coffee. Some naughty comments coming and glad comments is on the ball. My god. Hi, Eliezer. Hello. Me too, Achilles. Lard, go ahead. Hi, King. Hello, beautiful gorgeous. Hi, King. Thank you for joining. Binarco. My god. Binarco. Oh, wait. Jose. Hi, amiga. How are you? It's a pleasure to meet you, Jose Luis Buenos Aires, Argentina. Nice to meet you, Jose from Argentina. Binarco, hi. Hello, King. Thank you for joining. Bujang Sigat. Min. Mwah. Invite me to breakfast. Night here. Middle of the night here. Hello, beautiful Roberto Barros. Who are me? I'm Cheryl. Oh my god, who are you? Excuse me, I'm Cheryl. Adrian, hello from the Netherlands. See you flowers. Oh, thank you for the flowers. Flowers from the Netherlands is so beautiful. Thank you. Jelly, let's get together. Huh? Jelly. Peter Stark. Hi, Peter Stark. Your body is so athletic strong. I do Zumba every Sunday morning. You are a very beautiful woman. Ah, thank you, Roberto Barros. I want to see your mommy. My mother is already sleeping. Hi, Goga. Goga, but you are very beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. I'm from Argentina. Nice to meet you from Argentina. From Germany. Hi, nice to meet you. Hello, mommy. Hi, mom. Hi, Abangas Zuden. Abangas Zuden. Hello. Hello, my eye bags. Everybody wanna stop my body. Thank you, but nice to meet you. Nice eyes. Ah, thank you. Better start. Mommy, I don't think so. Okay, let's. How old are you? Me, I'm 41. Imagine you bent over. Oh my goodness. What? Hello from Argentina. Thank you, IPH. Enrique. Hi. 50. Nice age. Are you married? I'm 35. I'm 41. No. No. Hello, good afternoon, beautiful. Hi, Jose. Jose. Vivan Braylon. Thank you so likes. 64 people in the house. Thank you so much. I want to, huh? On Pascual Castillo. Never happened. Fever. Yeah, you are not 15. I'm 41. Hunting. Pretty. Hunting pretty. Thank you for the 51 people in the house. 41. You are not. I'm 41. Thank you, Sir Pedro. Pedro Repilado. All my love, bring to you from Spain. Ah, thank you. From Spain. It's a beautiful 25. Beautiful eye bags. Why should I marry you? Wow. Wow. Better start. Do you wanna tell my mom? I see you beside me. Mm. I was a fool to. Oh yes, beautiful face, body, lips, everything. A careless popcorn. Popcorn. Wait, ano yan? Open dito. Good smile. Do you wanna stand hiking? Okay, I back. I just put my vacation it for the next week. Ah, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sir King. Oh, wait. Better start. The girl gives. Oh my god. Do you wanna start? 41 years old. I'm 41. Oh my god. I'm not young. My gulay. Yes, it's about time for vacation. I'm tired working. Yes, not the vacation. Next week a vacation because Holy Week. You look 22. I thought 41. I 42. 42 next year. 2242. I love Sheryl Ohm. Sheryl Ohm. Center Pons. I will be 49 this October. Wow, that's great. Nar, Enrique Fernandez. Thank you for joining, guys. 10 people in the house. There you go. I thought you were in the Philippines last time you were. Yeah, I'm living here in the Philippines. I'm here in the Philippines. Center Ponds, thank you. Uh-oh, better start. Okay, okay. Where are you from, King? Where do you live? Where are you now? Oh, uh, Ohio. Okay. I forgot, sorry. Ohio, USA. Munch. Monek. Monech. 14 people. Are you eating pumpkin seeds? I love those. Ah, yes, before I eating pumpkins seed. No, no, no pumpkin seed. Need to buy. Hi, Kuya Dre. How are you, Kuya? I'm still wake up. Are you drinking coffee with in Monech? What Monech? Pumpkin seeds are so good, and the salty ones. You ever have those? Yes, I like salty ones. Hello, my name is Ben. Hi, my name is Ben. Hello. Hello, Gelson Barbosa from Brazil. I'm tired, but you need to rest, Kuya. I invented cheesecake. Ah, that's great, but my name is Ben. Munich, Bavaria. No, I don't know. I don't know about that. Sorry. Better start. Hello, my name is Ben. And sunflower seeds. Ah, yeah, I love sunflower seeds. Yeah, I will sleep now, yes. You need to rest. Oktoberfest. Soon. Oktoberfest soon. Have a good night, Kuya Dre. Have a good day. Have a good night, Jollibee. Hello, Cheryl. Where are you going? Hi, Edgar Close. I'm doing live again. Wonderful woman. How is your dad going? He still feels sick. Still feels sick. Still having a leg pain so much. Thank you, Sir Edgar Cross. Sorry to hear that. It's fine po. Pretty girl, thank you. My boyfriend says I'm prettier than you. He really loves you. Pitopa. That's good. But because me, I'm not confident to say prettier to others. So I'm alright. I'm alright. Prakash, good Tama. Hi. So fun. I fell sleeping now. Don't wanna let Mr. Pat a cheeky sparkles in your eyes, Cheryl. Cheeky? What it means? Cheeky sparkles. Oh, vodka or coffee? Coffee. Let's get together. Jelly, no, never happened. How are you and your man going? Going fine. Going fine. Going fine. We meet soon. Sir Edgar Cross. Thank you for asking po. Stack up. So Okay. Thank you, Sir Edgar Cross. Thank you so likes. So that the beautiful eyes, in other words, is what I mean. A polite English. Ah, okay. Seductive. My God. Seductive. What? Ganun pala yun. I find you so cute. I love Ralph Pasler. That's why. Oh my God. Very cute. I'm so cute because I'm so small. Nothing rude or disrespectful. Super Bengal. Super Bengal. Hi. Andy Ashley. Parang now I don't know. Mr. Pat. 10 days. 10 days. Like good. My Mike. Hi Mike. Hi, nice, beautiful lady. How are you? Flowers from the Netherlands to you. Thank you. Hi, my love. Sleep well. Catch you later tomorrow. Oh, thank you, Sir Pat. Unbelievable, girl. What are you doing awake? Too much thinking again. Look, my bones. They said why I'm too thin. Too much thinking again. Hey, I back up. Hi, Sir Bell. Too much thinking again. Not thinking. It's fine. Normal to be thinking. You wake up? Are you overthinker? Yes, but overthink always. Sir Bell. I am overthinker. Ah, me too. I woke up about 30 minutes ago. Ah, 30 minutes ago? Hmm, mm, mm. Ang kulit. Kilikili daw. Instruction took part of my work. Okay. I'm no right, I'm no right. I fell asleep right after you left to go to your sister's house. Okay. Training new operators. Training new operators. Okay po. Sir Bell. Do you like German man? I like you. Oh, I don't know because I love someone. I like people nice. Even not German, American, Asian. I like nice people. Oh, so wow. So, so how is your friend going and when is her name? And what her name is Jennifer. Sir Agricross. How are the little pigs doing? Eat a lot. Eat too much. My god. Maybe they need another foods. My god. I'm visiting the pig. That's why. More they eat, the bigger they greet. Yes, po. Thank you for that. You want to meet you want to meet her, Sir Edgar Cross? I'm no right, I'm no right, I'm no right. Yes, pigs eat a lot and are always hungry. Yes, they're always hungry. The pigs. I want to meet him. One time, I invite him doing live. Hope you join. When I need to meet. I need to meet here. So when I'm doing live, I'm with him. I'm with her when I'm doing live. So you need to meet her. Sorry, God. Show me what. So bye for now because my hubby already wake up. So I need to talk with my, Thank you so much for joining. God bless. Bye bye. See you next live.